to MKG Online Study. In today's video, we are going to discuss Current Affairs Series September 2021 Lecture 3. First question, which e-source is an online platform being developed by which institution? Options are A. BITS, B. IIMA, C. IITM, D. ISRO. Correct answer is C. IITM. The Indian Institution of Technology Madras IITM is developing an online platform named eSource. This platform aims to tackle e-waste by linking various participants in formal and informal sector. This is expected to pave a great way for recycle and reuse of electronic waste, thus achieve the objectives of circular economy. Next question. Indian Navy has undertaken a joint exercise with which country in Gulf of Aden near Yemen? Options are A. Russia, B. Germany, C. France, D. Italy. Correct answer is B. Germany. Navies of India and Germany carried out a joint exercise in Gulf of Aden near Yemen. The exercise include helicopter landing and search and seizure operation. The Indian Navy frigate INS Trikand exercised with German frigate Bären in the Gulf of Aden. Next question. You Breathe Life, the world's first plant-based smart air purifier, has been developed by startup of which institution? Options are A. IIT Madras, B. IIT Ropar, C. IISc, D. NIV. Correct answer is IIT Ropar. A startup company of IIT Ropar has claimed that it has developed the world's first plant-based smart air purifier. Named the You Breathe Life, the smart biofilter has been developed by Urban Air Laboratory. The living plant-based air purifier amplifies the air purification process in indoor spaces. The technology used in this product is urban Munar effect. The room air interacts with leaves and goes to the soil root zone where maximum pollutants are purified. Next question. Which country hosted the 8th BIMS TEC Agriculture Experts Meeting? Options are A. Sri Lanka, B. Nepal, C. India, D. Myanmar. Correct answer is C. India. India has recently hosted the 8th BIMS TEC Agriculture Expert Meeting in a virtual mode. The meeting was chaired by Dr. Trilochan Mohapatra, Director General of Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Experts of the agriculture ministries from Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Myanmar and Thailand participated in the meeting. The Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral, Technical and Economic Cooperation is an international organization of 7 South Asian and Southeast Asian nations, which is headquartered at Kathmandu. Next question. Which Indian state UT recently hosted the nomadic festival? A. Jharkhand, B. Ladakh, C. Haryana, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Ladakh. Ladakh Lieutenant Governor R. K. Mathur recently inaugurated a 2-day Ladakh nomadic festival at Korsok Changtang region of eastern Ladakh. The festival is organized by Ladakh Cultural Academy in collaboration with Ladakh Tourism Department. It aims to highlight the distinctive culture of Changtang region. Thank you for watching this video.